What's up, everybody? Here with my new Super Mario shirt, periodic table. Opening the January 2017 Cannabox. Excited to get right into this. Alright. Nest thing. Music thing. Oh, look at that. That's the first thing we got in here. Uh-oh. It's a Bob Marley. Is it a sticker? Yep. Bob Marley One Love sticker. Okay. I like that. I'll put that on my iPad or something. We got that. Uh-oh. It's like a crusher. Looks like a... Okay.
CD?
Looks like a CD. It's okay.
A record crusher.
Something like a record crusher. Okay. And that's how the front looks, like a disc. That's pretty cool. There we go. Okay. That next. Okay. Some Bob Marley cigarette papers. That's pretty cool. There we go. Well, looks like we got a cone, babe. Cyclones. Pre-rolled transparent cone. Okay. I don't know what that is, but we'll find out later. Okay. What else we got in here?
It's a clear cone. You can see through it.
Okay. What are these? Are these headphones? Yep. I think so. It says cab buds. Yep. I think those are green. They're green headphones. Okay. Come on, you got 2 pairs of headphones this week. Alright. I'll wait to open the shirt last because there's glass in there. I'll open that last. See what the t-shirt says. Bam! Y'all see it before me. What is this?
Rolling Stone.
Oh, that looks cool. Okay.
Very.
Alright.
Ha, got it. There's.
Oh, cool. Alright, these how the headphones look. They're earbuds. Okay. They look special. It's regular green earbuds. They look pretty good. See how those work later. Yeah, for the last thing. It's the glass. Let's see what this is. It said in the email it was music related. Oh shit. What is...
Music note.
How does... That's ill. Okay. A music note.
I think, right?
Looks like, yeah, looks like a music note. I don't know how it's shaped, but yeah. Looks like it put... Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Well, alright. That's the end of that box. I think it was pretty cool.